Did you know that just half a teaspoon of cinnamon a day can significantly improve your blood sugar control, potentially lowering your risk of diabetes? That's right, this humble spice, often associated with warm pastries and festive drinks, harbors powerful health benefits that might just transform your daily well-being. While cinnamon has long been a staple in kitchens around the world, its real magic lies in what it can do for your body. Let's take a step back in time. Cinnamon isn't a modern discovery. For thousands of years, it's been valued not just for its distinctive sweet warmth, but also for its healing properties. Ancient Egyptians used cinnamon in their embalming process, and as a treasured gift for royalty. In traditional Chinese and Ayurvedic medicine, cinnamon was prescribed to boost circulation, treat colds, and relieve digestive discomfort. The spice even sparked fierce trade routes and was once considered more precious than gold. Fast forward to today, and science is finally catching up with what our ancestors seemed to know all along. Cinnamon is much more than just a flavorful ingredient. Why should this matter to us now? Because many of us struggle with health issues that cinnamon can help address. Inflammation is a silent culprit behind a host of chronic diseases, from arthritis to heart conditions. High blood sugar and insulin resistance are growing concerns, with millions at risk for type 2 diabetes. Oxidative stress, caused by free radicals, accelerates aging and increases vulnerability to illness. These are problems that touch almost every family, and finding simple, natural ways to support our health has never been more important. So, what exactly can cinnamon do for you? Let's start with its antioxidant power. Antioxidants are compounds that fight oxidative stress, protecting your cells from damage. Cinnamon is loaded with polyphenols, a type of antioxidant that's so potent, studies have ranked cinnamon among the top spices and herbs for antioxidant activity, even outranking superfoods like garlic and oregano. By neutralizing free radicals, cinnamon helps slow the aging process and supports your immune system. But the benefits don't stop there. Cinnamon is also a powerful anti-inflammatory agent. Chronic inflammation is a root cause of many modern ailments, including heart disease, certain cancers, and neurodegenerative conditions like Alzheimer's. The compounds in cinnamon, such as cinnamaldehyde, have been shown to lower inflammation throughout the body. This means that regularly incorporating cinnamon into your diet could help reduce pain, swelling, and the risk of long-term disease. Perhaps most impressive is cinnamon's effect on blood sugar. Multiple studies have found that cinnamon can reduce fasting blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity, making it especially beneficial for people at risk of type 2 diabetes. By slowing the breakdown of carbohydrates in your digestive tract and improving the effectiveness of insulin, cinnamon helps keep your blood sugar steady, reducing those energy crashes and sugar cravings that leave so many of us feeling sluggish and irritable. And there's more. Cinnamon has shown promise in supporting heart health by lowering LDL cholesterol and triglyceride levels, while keeping HDL, the good cholesterol, steady or even slightly increased. It may also help fight bacterial and fungal infections, thanks to its natural antimicrobial properties. This means cinnamon doesn't just taste great, it could actually help your body fend off harmful pathogens. But don't just take my word for it. Let's look at a real-life example. In a compelling study published in the journal Diabetes Care, researchers divided participants with type 2 diabetes into two groups. One group added 1, 3, or 6 grams of cinnamon to their daily diet, while the control group received no cinnamon. After just 40 days, the cinnamon group saw remarkable reductions in fasting blood sugar by as much as 29%. They also noted significant drops in total cholesterol, LDL cholesterol, and triglycerides. What's even more impressive is that these benefits persisted for weeks after the participants stopped taking cinnamon, suggesting a lasting positive impact. There are also inspiring stories from individuals who've made cinnamon part of their daily routines. Consider the case of a woman in her 60s who struggled with stiff joints and frequent colds. On recommendation from her nutritionist, she began sprinkling cinnamon into her morning oatmeal and afternoon smoothies. Over several months, she noticed her joint discomfort lessening, her energy levels climbing, and her immune system feeling more robust. While cinnamon isn't a cure-all, These small daily habits can add up to meaningful improvements in overall wellness. To recap, cinnamon is so much more than a kitchen spice. It's a powerful, natural ally for your health. Its antioxidants shield your body from damage, its anti-inflammatory compounds soothe and protect, and its unique ability to balance blood sugar makes it a smart choice for anyone concerned about diabetes or energy levels. Add in its cholesterol-lowering and antimicrobial properties, and you have a simple, affordable way to support your health right from your own pantry. Incorporating cinnamon into your day doesn't have to be complicated. Stir it into your morning coffee or tea, sprinkle it on yogurt, blend it into smoothies, or mix it into savory stews and curries. Just remember, a little goes a long way. Half a teaspoon a day is all you need to start reaping the benefits. And if you're taking medication or have a health condition, it's always wise to consult with your healthcare provider before making any significant dietary changes. So, the next time you reach for a spice to add warmth and flavor to your meal, remember that cinnamon is more than a treat for your taste buds. It's an investment in your long-term health. Make it a daily habit, and you might just find yourself feeling more vibrant, energetic, and resilient with every passing day. If you found these insights helpful and want to discover more simple ways to boost your health, be sure to subscribe. Your journey to better wellness is just beginning, and we'll be here every step of the way with more tips, stories, and science-backed advice to keep you feeling your best.